Where the hell are we right now? Some super remote location. Oh, that's a falls, dude. All right, guys, I got one arm right here. I'm going down to shoot. Not sure if I'm gonna make it. We got Jake leading the way, but he has 2 arms. We're at the edge of the earth right now. Guys, it's true, the earth is not round. Definitely flat. Nah, don't, dude, it could collapse. Dude, I would not. That's a fucking peninsula. Woo! Absolutely incredible. I do not know what to say right now. Dude, I don't know about going out there. All right, guys, just made it to the bottom of the ravine. Yo, give me some. That was an insane hike. All right, first cast in the magic pool. What do we have? I was about to get snagged though.
Oh my god, giant!
No way.
Giant. Fucking giant.
Are you serious?
No!
Big?
Oh my God.
How big?
Like,
so they're fish.
no! You're hitting on the pole. Fuck.
Dude, that Jake, I think I need to switch.
God. No, dude.
You're gonna get them, don't worry. There are a lot of fish in here.
Wanna get in the water? We'll get a couple.
Have I not been recording? Oh my god.
No, you have.
Did it just stop?
No, you just restarted it. Let me get fish. Oh my god, giant!
Oh.
20 incher, dude.
What?
20 incher, bro.
Oh my god. Dude, the jigs are where it's at, man.
Those lads inside the spot, dude.
And they weren't even hitting the spinner. Oh, no! Oh, dude, is this worth it or what? Holy. It's hard to, oh my, dude.
I'm telling you, you don't make too much noise. You don't like stop too much.
Yeah, I'm good at that.
They've never seen these before.
Alright, I'm calling it. We got him. Big fish. Oh my god, dude.
You're all giant.
He just spooked like 50 fish.
Yeah.
Oh, big wild brown. Am I recording?
Yeah.
Alright, good. Oh my gosh, guys.
That's 15 incher all day.
No, more than that.
Nah, he's like 50.
Dude, where does this remind you of right now? Under you know where. Guys, are we doubled up?
No.
Can you get a GoPro shot of this?
I got this random ass fucking stick.
No, that's gonna be a bad shot. These fish are so fat. Absolutely amazing wild brown, dude. Did we find a money spot or what? Wait, one.
Unbelievable.
All right, guys, quick release on this fish. Yo, I might have a follow right there. I saw something like chasing. Got him? Nice, dude. Is that a brown? Yeah. No, brown. Nice, dude. That's a beauty. I thought it was a brook trout for a second. People say they're catching wild browns, but unless you're catching fish at a place like this, I don't know. Yeah. Is that a brook trout? Dude, that's a brookie.
Yeah.
Native brook trout.
Dude, maybe that's what they are then.
Maybe, yeah. I did think I saw one earlier. Dude, that's a really healthy fish. Look at that tail. Are they spawning right now or what? Oh my, dude. Wait, I think I saw that fish, dude. I'm pretty sure it's like a monster brown. Oh my god. Dude, I hooked into it. It felt like a dead weight. Nice. Definitely a brown. Well, they're in here. Oh, nice brown.
Nice.
All right, we're measuring this guy.
Okay.
Dude, he was sitting right in the curb, right in the textbook
I put
spot.
you on that fish.
Oh my God. Dude, they fight so good.
Crushed it.
You got him? All right, here, I'm gonna make a little guess on this fish. I'm gonna say 18.
Nah, he's like 15.
I'm gonna say 18. Oh my God.
Got him?
Yeah. 17.
Ah, see now you dropped it down.
Wow, that's a gorgeous
That's
fish.
awesome.
Can you get a photo of this one, like with the phone?
No, I can't get my phone. Can you get your phone out?
Yeah. A little measurement, because Jake thinks I can't measure fish. I'm calling 17. I think that might even be an underestimate. I don't know, we'll see.
Yeah, it's like
I'm excited.
16.
16 and a half.
16 inches.
All right, that's a good fish. I think the last one was bigger too, so. Uh, 24. 24. Oh my God. Like he raced out from under there. And I also lost him back there. Probably like a 14 incher. But dude, that's why we're missing all the fish. These browns literally like just go a million miles an hour at your bait. What? We're gonna see a monster just come up and I can't really step anywhere though.
There's a monster here.
How do we get past this though?
I don't know. I'll probably go back up again.
What?
Don't get too close.
Yeah, I know.
I was trying to. Oh my God, there's so many fish, dude.
Was it worth it?
Oh my God, they're like all over this film. They're everywhere. They're all brookies too.
Was that a brook trout that you had?
Yeah. That was my first creek brookie of the day. My first landing.
Yeah, what the hell?
Oh my God, dude, what the fuck? Holy fuck. They must be tiny, dude. It's like they're just nipping at it. Big time. All in this one.
It's a great cover. How deep do you think it is right here? 15 feet? I'm not getting hit.
So many fish coming. Probably is a big brown in there somewhere.
For sure. Oh no. Oh dude, can we make it past this?
What?
Oh my God, this is... Oh. Dude, where the hell are we fishing right now? I don't like this one bit. It's so sketchy over there.
No fish.
You don't think so? I think there are, but they're hard to catch. Even if we get a fish on, we can't really land it. If you go down there, you're fucked. No, I'm leaving this spot. Going back up there, dude. So sketchy. This is what I like to call a Class A wild trout stream. Absolutely, they're fish. No doubt in my mind. Probably the biggest fish of the day is gonna come out of here.
Oh yeah.
What did I say?
Because I'm using a spoon, like a giant spoon.
It's a nice brown. And Jake said there were no fish in here
Because I'm using a fucking spoon, buddy.
because he's using a spoon, but I don't know. Does that make a difference?
It's like a half-ounce spoon.
Yeah, he's using a half-ounce spoon. He's going for, what, bluefish?
Yeah, we're going for stripers.
He's going for stripers. I don't know what he's thinking.
Big hybrids.
Dude, that's just a gorgeous brown. Nice. Put him right back where he came from. Let's get another one, dude. 2 casts in a row. There you go. Dude, big brown. Nice. Why are you skating across the surface? Oh, he came off. Damn. Nice one. That fish just destroyed the jig. It's a decent one too. Dude.
You get one of just me?
Yeah.